Hello, so here we are for another adventure with Magnetic North magnet fishing, and today we're going to be fishing a site in Sheffield, and we've got some special guests with us today. We've got Magnet Mad Mum and Dad and family, and we've got the Outcast crew with us, so we'll see what happens and keep you updated as the day goes along. So good luck to everybody that's out today. So just walking down the line. Morning, 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 morning. And here we are with Rusty Nuts, Stevie himself, and Dudley Dippers, Nicola. Hiya. And we've got Marie down here, and if we keep walking just a little bit further, we've got some lovely old millstones. Have a good day everybody, and I'll speak to you again soon. So we've got a lovely nice day ahead of us. See what happens, and yeah, there's definitely going to be some stuff in here. Nice reflection over there. So here we go with the Evo 60 first cast. A bracket and a big round disc. Old lighter, general metal, a bit of decoration. Just got a bag, and inside it there is another round disc. Odd. And shrapnel. And there's a penny there. Tell you what, there's some heavy bits in this bit. Hiya. Nice to see you here. Welcome to Yorkshire.
Oh no, we're all going to be home going tick Yorkshire.
As long as it's not that tit wagon. Well, we've just got a bit of a bike.
Oh, is it? That is a bike. Bit of a boy. There we go.
Good luck today. Sheffield, isn't it? What do you expect? Oh yeah. Building fragments and nails. So just head out. Stick and fishing lure. Jamie Provin. That's got your name on it.
Magnetic North, boys.
Hiya.
Check him out. Brilliant lad. Well, full of knowledge.
So we've just had a ham can. Ding ding. And pipes, bits of dross. Tell you what, it's sludgy. Oh Oh dear. On this one, battery, a little round disc.
Hey, you alright?
Yes, for you.
Not bad at all, thank you. Not the top, anyway.
Not on a Sunday, no. If you go onto Top Bridge and follow it that way,
Left, yeah.
it takes you in towards like where there's a Tesco area
Alright.
down there,
Okay.
and that end. Oh no, not more of them. More discs. Lo and behold, another disc. Ooh, what we got here? Oh, we've got it's the round thing. And more bits of building. What we do have is a tin of Bakewell tart. Shrapnel. Did another cast and got this. Oops. Radioactive looking symbol. Steampunk. I've just had my shower. Got a coat somewhere. Oh well. I thought I've got something good here.
Yeah, hey! Actually, it's still something good. See, you've got your present.
Oh,
Hash brown, egg and cheese McMuffin and a
alright, thank you. You've got Bakewell over there.
Oh yeah, just as bought it as a treat for you.
I'll go and thank her in a bit.
Tasty.
I don't want that. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Cheers.
I'll stick with it down.
Thank you. Cheers, Jess! So just moved down to a slightly different location. Going to be doing a bit just here. So we've just got fishing line, beer top, hacksaw blade and a chav can. Well, round steel discs. Seems to be one of them days. Oh no, there's more ingots. Hello. So, Lady Lindsay of Magnet Mad Mum and Dad, she got a gimbal. Cast iron pipe. It's a very big fish hook. I keep dropping that, whatever it is. Everyday special. Beer can. Just had a mud shower. Another disc. Toopy. Oh I. Oh I. I've just pulled the purse. It's got no, nothing in it sadly. Oi! Wibbly wobbly! So, it's got a steel ball bearing. Oh no, would you believe it? I've only gone and found blacksmith's tongs with an ingot inside it. So there you go, an ingot with a blacksmith tool.
It's strange, isn't it? What people. Oh, it's a purse.
I'll get the presume they've already checked it for soggy notes.
Only been there like you know, like old £5 notes from like 1960.
So we've got Bakewell tart. Steve McKenna's just been fishing and he's just pulled out splish splosh splish.
Small spanner.
I'm getting quite a few hit. Oh, thank you. And 1, 2. Oh dear.
More cakes on my bag and that, ain't it?
There's a spare one in there. If you grab that, that's your birthday present.
Oh, yeah, thank you. Give it in the box for now then. Yeah. Mine's on my back down there. The
Just
birds
don't be
love it.
catching the tin. It's from London.
Oh, yeah.
Got piece of jagged shrapnel. Boom!
Silly. Ready? Look.
No. What? To gather weight?
Let's inspect this one as well. Oh, that's a good one. Look, it needs to be like this one, look.
Yeah.
With a Dudley Dipper's badge on it.
That's it.
That's the best one.
Got your Dudley one at the side
The
there.
Dudley one, yeah, that's a good one. Yeah, I approve of all those on there.
Oh, thank you. Magnet Mad Mum and Dad with the magnet. That's these guys. So yeah, Magnet Mad Mum and Dad. They're here today.
We're here.
Moving on. Hello. So, just got a round ring. Very good, very nice. What are you laying for? Oh, what he's got? Oh, nice. No, he's gone home at minute. He might be back later. If nothing else, it'll make somebody laugh. And it's a wing nut. It's a wing nut. Squirrels. Right. So we've just got a bag. One of them. Squirrel! So, my battery's just about to die, So I'm moving down.
Now somebody, everybody scream.
Hello everyone, it's been quite a long, hard day today. Lots of heavy metal. What do you expect for Sheffield though? It's a steel making city. Like, subscribe and follow on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube and TikTok. See you again soon. Bye. Here we are, the scrap has now been collected, currently being swept up as we speak. Nice and clean. Lads have done a grand job, and as you can see, all ready to go. So that's it. All the scrap is removed, helped into the van. I look like I've been down a pit. So gonna go home and get cleaned up. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Be nice to know what you think of the video. Thanks for everyone who helped and attended on the day. It was such a lovely day seeing you all, and take care everyone. We look forward to seeing your videos soon. Bye.